So hello friends, myself and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical. Today I will tell you the specifications of Redmi Note 10 Pro. If you on this channel, please subscribe our channel to get the notification of the future videos. The specifications of Redmi Note 10 Pro are Snapdragon 732G, 6.67 inches, Full HD Plus display, 120Hz fast refresh rate, 64 megapixel rear camera, 16 megapixel front camera, 4820 mAh battery, 33 watt fast charging. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Redmi Note 10 Pro. There are 3 color variants of Redmi Note 10 Pro: 6GB plus 64GB, 6GB plus 128GB, and 8GB plus 128GB. There are 3 color variants of Redmi Note 10 Pro: blue color, black color, and rainbow color. This is the front side of Redmi Note 10 Pro. This is the back side of Redmi Note 10 Pro. The expected launch date of Redmi Note 10 Pro will be in the end of the February. In my opinion, the expected price of Redmi Note 10 Pro should be below 15,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt regarding this, do comment down below. Thank you for watching.